Okay, hello everyone. I will play a short video at least for us to understand uh what is nodes and explain what are we going to have in here, and then I will explain. I will run the numbers on how much and everything, and that we will be able to potentially earn if we have a syndicate node or for a person that's going to have a node. So let me just play this video and then we will start after the video. Okay. So just give me 1 second. I'm sharing my screen. Please confirm if everyone can see my screen. Anyone, please? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, I'll just play this for a wait. This is just a 6 minutes video. Ajay, do you have any question before?
No, I'm just confirming that I can
Okay,
see
okay.
you.
Okay, sure, sure. Thank you so much, Jay. Okay, so I'll play this video, short video. This is just a 6 minutes video for you to understand the nodes that are being sold right now and how much and the benefits of it. Okay, so let me play this and we will start running the numbers after this. Okay, so let's me play it.
Unlocking the future, BTC20 blockchain nodes explain. What is node? In the vibrant landscape of cryptocurrency, a node is a real-life machine storing the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) state. These nodes engage in seamless communication, propagating crucial information about the EVM state and any new changes. Moreover, users can trigger code execution by broadcasting a request from a node. The BTC20 Smart Chain Network, in essence, comprises these nodes and their collaborative communications. Grasping the significance of nodes in BTC20 blockchain. 1. Pillars of stability and expansion. Nodes in the BTC20 blockchain silently contribute to the network's stability and expansion. Functioning as the tangible entities storing the EVM state, they lay the foundation for a resilient blockchain infrastructure. 2. Streamlined and fortified operation. Demolishing misconceptions of complex requirements, BTC20 blockchain nodes demand a mere 4-core CPU, 8 GB RAM, and a 50 GB SSD. This simplicity ensures not only streamlined but also fortified operation, fostering inclusivity in the blockchain ecosystem without burdensome hardware investments. 3. Alluring 182% APY rewards. Participation in the BTC20 blockchain as a node subscriber unveils an alluring 182% APY. This isn't just a number, it's a gateway to maximizing returns and actively participating in the network's overall triumph. 4. Affiliate bonuses in WAS. Beyond the realm of APY rewards, node subscribers bask in affiliate bonuses distributed through WAS, Weekly Asset Allocation Scheme. This dual-layered benefit amplifies the value and profitability of investments, aligning with the ethos of decentralized success. 5. Integral contributors to blockchain health. Nodes, as vital contributors to the BTC20 blockchain, play a pivotal role in maintaining its health and functionality. The decision to become a node transcends mere participation, it's an active engagement in a decentralized and innovative network, shaping its trajectory. 6. Strategic long-term value creation. Becoming a node in the BTC20 blockchain isn't a fleeting move, it's a strategic play for long-term value creation. Participants don't just witness financial returns, they secure a distinctive position within the ever-evolving blockchain ecosystem. Types of nodes. Let's explore the different types of nodes in the BTC20 blockchain. 1. Full nodes. Meet the backbone of the blockchain network, full nodes. They maintain a complete copy of the blockchain ledger, independently verifying its entire history. Essential for blockchain integrity, these nodes communicate with others to keep the network up to date and accurate. 2. Light nodes. Next up, Light nodes, also known as SPV nodes. Designed for devices with limited storage, like smartphones, they don't download the entire blockchain. Instead, they rely on all nodes for verification, making them faster but less secure. 3. Miner nodes. Last but not least, miner nodes. Responsible for confirming transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. They perform complex calculations, requiring specialized hardware. Mining nodes are crucial for ensuring the network's security and efficiency. Node functions. Nodes are more than just participants, they're the lifeblood of the blockchain. Let's explore their key functions. Data processing. Nodes process and manage various data, ensuring the blockchain's smooth operation. Communication. Nodes facilitate communication between devices, acting as the central hub for network activities. Storage management. Efficiently storing and managing data, nodes ensure the blockchain's historical accuracy. Control and decision. Nodes decide and control transactions, adding an extra layer of security to the blockchain. Security. Nodes play a crucial role in data and network security, safeguarding the integrity of the entire system. Monitoring. Acting as vigilant overseers, nodes monitor activity and status, ensuring a healthy blockchain ecosystem. User interface. Providing a user interface, nodes enable user interaction, making blockchain technology accessible to all. The multifaceted roles of nodes. Nodes within blockchain networks don't merely perform singular functions, they embody a multifaceted role as the backbone of distributed information and communication hubs. From data processing and communication facilitation to efficient storage management, transaction control, security oversight, activity monitoring, and user interface provision, nodes are the unsung heroes in the blockchain narrative. Empowering the future of BTC20 blockchain. In summation, nodes within the BTC20 blockchain aren't mere components, they are architects of a decentralized future. By comprehending their types, functions, and the myriad benefits they offer, participants embark on an active journey of contribution and reward within a flourishing blockchain ecosystem. As we embrace the transformative power of nodes, we chart a course toward a more secure, efficient, and community-driven BTC20 blockchain.
No sound, coach.
Thank you. Okay, so that's the nodes. So that's how nodes works. What is the function of nodes in a blockchain? So that you have an idea what we are going to invest with because it is a little higher price of a nodes to acquire. But of course, it has a very good return and it will give us a very good profit as well if we understand the numbers. So that's why we are here. I just wanted to run the numbers to you. But of course, I just wanted to share the reason of this syndicate. Okay. So the first reason of this syndicate is I want every one of us, all of the members that's going, all of us that going to be a member of this syndicate, to be able to participate to get a node, at least to experience how powerful having a nodes is. Because yeah, really having a nodes is just a one-time investment and you will earn profit for a lifetime. Why I said for a lifetime? Remember, we have the BTC20 blockchain. We are going to mine the Bitcoin code for the next 140 years. And even if the mining stops already or the 21 million supply of BTCC has been mined already, it doesn't mean that the blockchain will stop working. Okay, blockchain will stay there forever. Okay, as long as the blockchain is running, the node will be running. So that's why giving us the opportunity to participate of having a node. And besides, I am not sure when will be the next offering of the node from VRO Satoshi. Another thing is, I am not also sure how much it is going to be in the near future. For now, VRO Satoshi offered us 300 nodes last year. So that 300 nodes actually sold out probably in the last 3 months alone of selling. And then that's it. And we all thought that, the next offering of this node is going to be like up to over $50,000 each. But we are very fortunate to have now the opportunity to participate the node on the same price that they offered it last year. So which is really amazing one. Okay. So I will discuss to you now the numbers. Okay. But of course, I will share you my whiteboard so that you'll be able to understand what I am trying to share here. Okay. So if anyone please confirm that can see my whiteboard.
Yes, coach.
Perfect. Okay. So imagine, okay, so that's on this, like I said, on the purpose of this, we are going to have to accumulate the price of the node. So the price of the node is $27,000. Okay. So I am planning to have at least, okay, or I'm not saying at least. Oh, who is writing? Please do not move anything so that you will be not writing on the board. Okay. So what I am trying to say here is probably 27 people is a very good number for us to be able to have this syndicate. Why? Because I am not really sure if it's going to be worth it if you just invest $100 or $200 on the node. At least if we invest $1,000 each, okay, we will be able to see the profit like in a good number. Okay, I can say in a good number. Okay, so let's run this. So $27,000 divided by 27 is only $1,000 each. Okay, so this doesn't mean that you cannot get multiple slot on this part. Okay, I will allow everyone to get multiple slot. Like if you want 3 slots, so you have to pay $3,000. If you want to get 5 slot, you have to pay $5,000. And of course, it will be divided equally. All the profits will be divided equally to each members. Okay. The only thing that will happen is I will be the one holding the wallet. Okay. So that means you have to trust me on this one. But of course, I will with the team that I have in here, even though Stepan and Jay is not in my team, but of course, I'm pretty sure that I will make sure that the trust that you will be given to me are worth it. Okay. So to start with, okay, so let's say the $27,000, you get 5 slots or you get 10 slots. That would be okay, and it will be divided equally. But the main thing that I can contribute also as well here is I will be providing the computer or the PC or the machine that we're going to use to run the node. Okay, so the node is not going to run without a computer. So remember, if you saw it in the video, it will require at least 4-core CPU, 50 gigabyte of hard drives, and at least 8 gig of memory. So that would be running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So again, so I will provide, of course, if everything is on my possession, of course, I will provide the internet connection, because if we don't have internet connection, again, the road will not run. And then, of course, the electricity and everything. So I will cover everything on the hardware part. All you need to do here is just contribute for the syndicate that's $1,000. It doesn't matter how many slots you participate in. So now That's a very good thing to start is how much money or how much in dollar are we be able to earn having this on a one-time $27,000 investment. So if we do that, so that means 27,000, okay, multiplied by 182 second 182%. Okay? If we do that, okay, if you have a calculator, you can do that on your own, but this is actually $49,140. Okay? This is the return. This is the annual return. Okay? Annual yield. Okay? Yearly. Remember I mentioned to you, this is a lifetime. Now, for our first year, having a syndicate, we will be able to divide to each and every one of us 49,140. But of course, we have to have a basis of where are we going to this because we are not going to earn dollars on having a node. Okay? Having a node is not going to earn you dollars. It's going to earn you what? It's going to earn you BTCC. Okay. So for this particular example or this example that we're going to have or this computation that we're going to have, I will lock, okay? I will lock in the price of the BTCC to $75. Okay? $75. Okay? So if you can see right now the live, go to your DApp. If you have a miners, go to your DApp in BTCC and see the actual price right now as of today. I believe the actual price as of today of BTCC is around $67 or $67.50. Okay? So this is the price. I am locking ourselves to $75, so at least we have a basis of number to compute. Okay? So how are we going to get the numbers of BTCC that we're going to earn in a year? So basically, we were going to earn number of BTCC should be simple. Okay? 49,140 divided by what? 75. Because that's our BTCC. One BTCC is $75. So how many is this? Okay? So this would be approximately 656 BTCC. So this is the approximate numbers of BTCC that we are going to earn in a year having a node. I hope that makes sense. So very, very basic computation, okay? You just have to divide that by 75. Now, so that means if we're going to get the monthly, of course, very simple. How many BTCC in a month? So 656 divided by 30. Oh, sorry. Let me do this. Divided by 12. Okay. So that means we're going to get a number of, it is
54.6.
54. That. Thank you so much, that, Mami. Okay, so 54.6 BTCC monthly. Okay, so per month. Very, very simple. That means if we're going to earn 54.6 BTCC a month, so we will distribute each of us, divided this by 27 people. Okay, so how many BTCC per person we're going to have on the 27 people, okay, that on our syndicate. Okay, so simply you have to divide 54 by 27. So it's basically you're going to get 2 BTCC, I think approximately, okay, every month.
Yeah.
Okay? So 2 BTCC every month. Okay, that means if you multiply, each of us going to get 2 BTCC per month, okay, 2 BTCC per month,
Times
that means we're
75.
going to have at least an earning times 75, that's $150 monthly extra income. Okay? This is monthly income. If we're going to divide the number of BTCs that we're going to have. Okay. So what would be the what would be the upside? How long are we going to get the upside? Okay. So very simple. In 1 year, remember we have a 182% APY. So that means 82% of that is automatically our profit. And then the 100% that's left could be our capital. So that means in 1 year, we already earned. So probably in the next 7 months, our capital will be returned. But of course, it's all up to you if you want to swap your BTCC to dollar or if you want to retain it as BTCC as possible. Remember, BTCC is a token. Okay, it is the price of it is going up and going down. Okay, so because that's the nature of a cryptocurrency, it's a volatility, it's very volatile. So that would depend on the daily basis. But of course, this is something that we have to consider. Remember, the node is a lifetime investment. Okay, so this is lifetime. As long as the BTC20 blockchain is running, we're going to run the nodes. Okay, in 1 year, that means we already got our profit. Okay, and that means we already on the next coming years or the next 140 years and beyond, we are just getting all profits. So basically, that's how powerful nodes if we're going to be part of it. If we cannot afford the $27,000, that's why I initiated to have us a syndicate, but at least to be for us to be able to become part of the nodes, and let's see how powerful the nodes is, because I am pretty sure that this is the last time that we are all Satoshi is going to offer nodes. This is not the last time. There will be a lot of nodes coming out. Why? If you have a look into Google, if you research on Google, imagine how many nodes Bitcoin has. Okay? I believe it's over 80,000 or 50,000, over 50,000 or over 80,000 nodes are connected to Bitcoin blockchain. And imagine the blockchain of Bitcoin is very slow. You cannot do any project on it. It's just purely for Bitcoin. And our blockchain is EVM compliant. Very important to remember. So that means any project, any token, anything that can be launched on our blockchain. So that means how beautiful to have a lifetime investment. So on this syndicate, the beauty of this is we're going to have a one-time $1,000 investment, and then we're going to have a lifetime profit. So if you are going to be part of this, then I can say that this is one of the most powerful investments you're going to. It will give you wealth. Okay, imagine this one. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, so how much are you going to earn in a year? Okay, let's compute it in a year so that at least you will be able to see the return. Okay, of your $1,000. Okay, that's very important. How much you're going to earn with your $1,000. Okay, now on this computation at the top, okay, remember we are getting 656 BTCC a month. This is for the 27 of us. Okay, now if you compute 656 times 75, that is 49,000. And then if we divide 49,140 to 27, okay? So anyone can try to divide 40. Let me divide. Okay, 49,000. 140 divided by 27. So that means $1,820 per year. This is your profit of one time $1,000. So that means every year, okay? Every year you're going to get this much amount of money on your one time $1,000 investment. Imagine that means in 10 years, you're going to get 18,000, and the next 20 years, you get 30,000. That's what I'm talking, okay? But there's another potential increase of our profit. Why? Remember that I lock only this to $75. Now, so let's say, okay, let's say you're getting 2 BTCC, okay, per month. Okay, 2 BTCC per month. So 2 BTCC, okay, per month is equals to $150 because of $75 price. Now, after 1 year, okay, after 1 year, BTCC become $100. Okay, just a $25 increment every year. So that means your 2 BTCC now is going to be $200 per month on the next year. And then on the next year, okay, and this is going to be what? Let's say $150 per BTCC. Okay, this is per BTCC. Okay, it increments just $50 per year. Okay, so that means your 2 BTCC per month is going to earn now $300 per month for you. Of course, now, of course, we have our halving years. Imagine when the first halving of Bitcoin, it kicks out like rocket. You know, we know that the price of Bitcoin goes very high. Now, our halving years is coming. So on the fourth year, what if it reaches just $500? So that means that's $1,000 per month increase on your profit on just one time, $1,000, since we cannot afford to buy one node that is $27,000. So in this initiative, I am just really excited to share to you that this is the potential profit that we're going to have. Of course, there is a downside. What is the downside? Of course, if the price of BTCC goes down, then of course your profit also goes down. But imagine, we are EBM compliant. There's a lot of project our CEO is trying to implement. There's going to be like, imagine like Polygon. Polygon has so many projects, a lot of tokens that have been launched in that particular blockchain. It would be the same for us. We are just in the beginning. That's why this is the right time. This is the perfect time that we participate this one. And because we have to take advantage also that the $27,000 might be the lowest price we will be able to get. Probably the next time 50,000, 100,000, I don't know. But it's very important for us to take action on this one. That's why I'm asking any one of your team if you can ask them if they are really willing to participate on this initiative that I took. Remember, you don't have to worry about the computer that will run this one. I will be providing that, of course. And then at the end of probably 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years, and you have enough money to buy nodes, of course, you can buy the nodes, okay? Now, I know that there's going to be a trust issue that's going to happen because I am the only one going to have the wallet, okay? Yes, of course, that's something that you can decide on, okay? But for me, like I mentioned to you, I will make sure that your trust will be worth it. I will make sure that the profit will be divided equally between the members. That's all. Let's say I can promise that, okay? But of course, it's all up for you to decide. I'm not here to convince you. I'm just trying to say that that's what I'm going to do. So it's very, very important for you to be on that part, because I don't wanna convince you on just giving you these numbers. I'm not trying to convince you having these numbers or listening to what I'm saying about these numbers. These numbers are true. Okay, numbers don't lie. We remember that. It will not lie at all. If something has wrong with this computation that I am doing, please correct me. Okay, I'm willing to be corrected, but this is something that I'm really excited to consider to each and every one of us. Like, this is our company is so young. Bitcoin Code is so young. BTC20 blockchain is so young, and it will never go away. Remember, it's a lifetime. It doesn't like it takes forever. It doesn't matter how many generations it will go. I believe our financial system in the world is going to be digital. It's going to be in the blockchain. It's going to be like cryptocurrency. I am not sure when. I don't know when, but of course I'm sure that fiat currency is going away, and I cannot tell if it's going to be 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, but we are moving forward. Okay? Imagine when the beginning of the internet, they said, aha, it's nothing. It's not going to like something. Now internet is life. Okay? Everyone cannot live without internet. So it's the same with the financial situation right now, with the crash of the markets and everything that's happening, the banking system, the banks are closing. Then I can say that digital currency would be the next thing. So our blockchain is going to be here forever. Okay, we can give them to the next generations, and just remember, just for a one time $1,000 investment, and you're getting a profit of a lifetime. Okay, this is different from mining. Okay, I will not compare this to mining, because mining, okay, once you are mining Bitcoin code, okay, Bitcoin code is technically not yet yours. Once you mined it, you will be able to own it until you harvest it. Of course, you have to pay the price of the harvesting. Here, automatically the BTCC will goes directly to our MetaMask wallet directly. So every second or every minute, it doesn't matter how the BTC is going to pay on our wallet. They said, okay, those who have nodes, they said it's every minute you're getting paid with BTCC. Okay, I cannot confirm that because I don't have a node, but well, that's what they say, so I can take it as a fact. So getting BTCC here in the node is really, really an amazing. Okay, so okay, Jay, I will go back to your question later. So this is something that I wanted to really, really excited to share to you, because this is something that I know that's going to change our life. It will build us a generational wealth in the coming years. The only thing that I can request is, I was told, or in the Intrasich training last night in UK prime time, there are already more than 30 plus nodes are sold. Okay, so that means, I'm not confirmed it's 35, 37, or how many is that. So that means there are half already are remaining, half of that, or less than half. So we have to act quick. Okay, probably Jay and me can request to Joe, and Joe can request to Lucky, probably to reserve us a one node, but at least we have to make sure that we are going to buy that node. And of course, we have to form this syndicate as soon as possible, because that's the time to act now, because this is probably the last time that we will going to see the BTCC at this price. I don't think it will go down, but definitely it will go up. So, yeah, this is the numbers that I wanted to share to you, and this is the thing. This is the action that we need to take in the coming couple of weeks, probably, or at the start of the beginning of September. Probably we should be able to complete our mission here, to be able to form the 27 slots. Okay, I'm going to say it went not 27%, but 27 slots, so that at least if you decided to get 2, 3, 4 slots, and then of course you will still divide that. And then, of course, and this one, you multiply it by how many slots that you get. If you get 4 slots, multiply this by 4 slots. That's how you're going to get the profit. Okay. Everything on the BTCC side, of course, since I have the wallet, I will be the one sending you all the profit. Of course, we will going to speak about the profit. If we're going to, I'm going to send it to you daily. Do you want me to send it daily? Do you want me to send it monthly? Or do you want me to send it yearly? But of course, it should be decided by all the members. I'm not going to decide on that. And then, of course, if you want to see or if you want to know that how I can be trusted with the transparency of the blockchain, of course, every movement of the MetaMask wallet address, of course, I will give you the MetaMask wallet address. Go to scan.btcc.technology, and then you will be able to look at all the transaction that's going on this MetaMask wallet, so that you can question me, Dennis, where is this BTCC going? Why is it go out? It doesn't. This is not a wallet of the member. So you can ask everything because that's how beautiful blockchain is. That's how transparent our blockchain is. So in terms of sending everything to you, the profit, of course, it's very simple. I'm going to collect all the wallet addresses. You can have a copy of those wallet addresses so that you can compare everything. So yeah, we can have a rules. We can have a vote on everything on that. But of course, the only thing that I need to ask is we have to act now, act as soon as possible, because nodes are running low. Only less than 30 nodes are left. Okay. If that's, I cannot confirm that yet, but of course, I'm just telling this as Rashid said last night, that's over 30 was sold. So yes, okay. So we are going to go to our question and answer, and then and then we will let know how are we going to go on this one. But this is very, very simple mathematics that I did to you. But if there's something wrong on the computation, I stand to be corrected. Please let me know, and then I will correct which part of this one. Okay, so let's go to the question and answer. I will read first the question on the chat box. Okay, so Jay said, can we subdivide 1,000 to 10.5 or 2 people that will take care of dividing and accounting the distribution? Yes, Jay. Let's say you have a people like they want to do syndicate also as well. To form the $1,000, that's fine. Okay, as long as we will put it like it will be a slot for you under your name. So let's say you have 3 syndicates. Okay, then you will be given 3 slots, and then it's your responsibility to divide to how many persons that all the profits or all the $1,000 income, if that makes sense. Okay, so it's not a problem at all. The only thing we need to do is everyone that are interested and have a $1,000, that would be good time to participate on the slots. But if you have less than $1,000, and then you can form like 2-3 person to form $1,000, then you will be the one managing that part. Okay, so at least we can share this to other people as well. That's also a good idea, Jay. That's a very, very good idea. So anyone here, if you cannot afford $1,000, share with someone, and then of course you have to just divide all these numbers that I did on the yearly one. If you want it yearly, you want it monthly, so everything is good. So yeah, any more question? You can unmute, please, and ask the question. Okay, let me stop my sharing. Okay, so yes, so okay, no more question. Okay, go ahead, Jay.
Dennis?
Yes, go ahead.
Dennis? Yeah. Are you going to be doing this on a spreadsheet, or is there a program of some sort that you can use?
I will try to
Ah,
create a spreadsheet on this one, on this computation that I did on the whiteboard. And I will try to share. I will share it on the group that we have. So if you can join on the group that I sent to you on WhatsApp, it's a WhatsApp group. At least for those who are interested only in this syndicate. I don't want someone to join.
yeah,
You know, it's going
yeah,
to be messy, you know. But if there are some, so yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So yeah. Any more question?
Understand.
Yes, I thank you, Jay. So any more question? Stepan, you have any question, any clarifications that you need on what I showed?
Dennis, do you
Yep.
remember last time when the
Mm-hmm.
notes were offered,
Uh-huh.
the 300?
Yeah.
Chavez got a syndicate program done for David's group, if I remember right.
I think so. I remember also that as well. That's why
If
uh
you can find the program, it'll be nice.
okay, I will try to ask Joe to ask David because I'm not friend with David.
I have asked him too.
Oh
So
yeah, that would be great. Yeah, yeah, that would be great. And if you got replied with that, then please let me know. So at
yeah,
least we can have a pattern, we can have something to look at, so that at least our syndicate would be,
and it's kind of official from the company in a way.
Yes, exactly. That would be good. Yeah.
Okay.
Amazing, amazing
So,
day. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So any
Okay.
more question? Okay, any more question? Okay, I think hello, Pastor Rolly.
Bye. I'm gonna leave.
Okay, Jay, thank you so much for dropping by. And yeah, just message me. Please join the group and just message me if anyone. You can
Okay.
directly message me. Okay, thank you
Will
so much,
do.
Jay. Have a good day.
Yeah. Bye.
Yes, bye-bye. Okay. Hello, Pastor. Go ahead po.
Yung bago sa pandinig ko
Alin po?
yung syndicate, yung nodes, although ang nodes, noon ko pa narinig yan sa larangan ng cryptocurrency.
Opo.
Wala lang akong eksaktong pinakapayak na definition nito. Ano siya? Ano
Opo.
siya? PSA ba siya o program?
Program po siya, isang program na nagra-run sa computer na connected sa blockchain natin.
Okay.
Mm.
Pero
So,
lahat na yan sila ngayon in place, functional na.
yun pong mga nag-purchase na lahat functional na. Yung 300 noon nabili na, lahat po yun working na yun. Lahat sila kumikita na sa node na kanila na binili nila. Actually magwa 1 year na, Pastor. Nag-start tayo last October. So we are going to have our anniversary this October. So yun. So malapit na silang magkaroon ng 182% na yield.
Galing yan.
Oo.
Pero
So,
yung mga nodes na yan, ginagamit na ng blockchain.
opo, sa blockchain lang yan. Yung nodes kasi na yan, isa yan sa part of security ng blockchain. Isa yan sa nagbabalidate ng mga transactions. Maraming function yung node. Marami siyang function wherein para mag-operate yung node, kailangan nga ng machine. So, dinidistribute nila sa mga tao. And then, yung mga every transaction na binabayaran sila, kumbaga, di ba may meron tayong gas fee. So, dinidivide yan sa node. So, ang blockchain natin, I think, it can do at least 65,000 transaction per second, I believe. That's how fast our blockchain is. So, kaya ganun kaganda yung kanila. Ganun kaganda yung distribution ng income. And doon sa may mga may-ari ng node, kinonfirm nila that they are getting over 50 BTCC every month.
Kung bigyan natin siya ng differentiation, Sir Dennis, compared to a miner.
Okay.
Kung ikumpara mo yung miner sa kanodes, anong kaibahan nila?
Okay. Yan po. Nabanggit ko naman din kanina, no? So, ang miner po kasi ganito. Bumili ka ng miner, nag-mine ng BTCC. Okay? So, technically, yung BTCC na na-mine, hindi pa sa'yo yun. Magiging sa'yo lang yun kapag hinarvest mo na. But harvesting has a cost. Okay? Sabi sabihin, magbabayad. Parang kanin po yun. Yung miners natin, di ba, bumili tayo sa sasakyan. hindi yun naandar ng walang gasolina. So kailangan muna
Tama.
natin bumili ng gasolina. Ang
Tama.
pagkakaiba lang natin dito kay mining natin, tumatakbo na yung makina natin o yung sasakyan natin, hindi pa tayo nagbabayad ng gasolina. Kapag sabi nga natin kukunin na natin yung BTCC natin, saka lang tayo magbabayad ng gasolina. So that is mining. So we have to pay the price of harvesting or yung sabi nga natin yung B fuel na tinatawag natin. In nodes, BTCC na po yung nakukuha nyo directly to your wallet. Wala na pong dadaan ng iba. Wallet na ang pupuntahan niya. Galing sa node, diretso sa wallet. So ibig sabihin, BTCC na yung nakukuha ninyo na hindi nyo na kailangan bayaran. It's exactly nasa wallet nyo na yun. Yung kasing minine nyo, pag minina nyo yun, naandun pa yun sa node. Tapos yung node, pag hinarvest nyo yun, saka lang bibitawan nyo ng node papunta sa wallet nyo. So ganun po yung difference niya.
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Na-absorb ko pa unti-unti.
Opo,
Yeah,
kaya actually node
Ah.
po ang isa sa pinaka magandang sa larangan ng cryptocurrency. To be honest, ang daming mga blockchain na naglabasan, talagang nodes ang ikinuha nila kasi alam nila kung gaano ka-profitable ang maging isang node talaga.
Pero yung mga node na yan, sa ngayon, bili naman siya o hindi ng tao, functional na siya.
Hindi po, hindi po. Magiging
hindi?
magiging functional lang siya kapag nag-run na yung computer na mayroong program ng node.
Okay.
Hindi po yan hindi po yan sabi nga natin kumbaga parang isang program yan, i-connect do sa blockchain natin pero kailangan nagra-run yung computer. Kung wala yung computer, walang node. Ibig sabihin, yun lang kung tatanungin natin yung nodes natin, noong mag-umpisa tayo, meron lang tayong isang node. Isa lang. Yun yung kinukusa natin, kinoconnect yung miners natin. And then, the 300 nodes na binenta, and then meron na tayong 300.
Okay.
Hmm.
Pero basta ang node sa isang oray ng program,
Yes.
hindi siya electronic device, hindi rin naman siya computer device,
Hindi
kundi
po.
isang program siya.
Opo.
Okay,
Isa po siyang program para
sa isang blockchain ba, Sir Dennis, sa isang blockchain,
Opo.
ilang nodes ang kailangan?
Actually, hindi ko alam yung definite number, pero kung nabanggit ko nga kanina, kung titingnan ninyo sa Google, i-search nyo, ilang nodes meron ang blockchain ni Bitcoin. I believe it's over 80,000 80,000 nodes. Sa blockchain lang ni Bitcoin 'yon. Hindi ko alam kung ilan ang nodes ni Polygon, ang nodes ni Ethereum, ang nodes that you can search sa internet po kung ilang nodes meron ang bawat isang blockchain. Ang mga blockchain natin, i-search nyo, Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, Base, marami po tayong blockchain. I-search nyo kung may ilang nodes sila available. At lahat
Sige.
makikita natin. But alam ko basta Bitcoin is over 80,000 nodes ang alam ko na nasa na i-release nila.
Sige, salamat.
You're welcome.
Yung mga bagong terms sa cryptocurrency,
Opo.
naku-curious ako dyan eh.
Ayos po yun, wala pong problema, tama po yun, napakaganda po nung tama lang na itanong natin. Pag hindi natin alam, mas maganda po talaga tatanong natin kung ano yung
Tama po.
Kaya nga po, ayan. At if you sabi nga natin, want to learn more, dyan naman si Google, dyan naman si YouTube. Kung hindi nyo maintindihan, pwede nyo po akong message para pag-usapan natin ng in layman terms yun sa Tagalog language natin. Pero kung talagang marami pong way. Pero napakaganda po, napaka-profitable. So yun lang po yung na-discuss ko ngayon na nakita natin na meron gusto kong i-take advantage ng team natin. Gusto kong i-take advantage na maging part tayo nung isa sa pinaka-profitable na system na meron ang We Are All Satoshi right now, which is the node. So yun, looking forward po ako na ma-execute natin ito in the next coming couple of weeks. Na-miss ni Sir RJ yung couple of weeks na yan pagka si CEO nagsalita, di ba Sir RJ? So yun. Yun po, kasi 30 nodes is already sabi nga natin mabilis lang yun. Isipin nyo, in the last 2 weeks naubos na yung 30 nodes. What more we can do on the next 2 weeks again? May matitira pa ba sa atin? Hindi natin alam. So yun ang kwan, yun ang sinasabi ko na kwan. Sinasabi ko na gusto ko sanang magawa natin ng paraan. So yung mga hindi po naka-attend ng Zoom na to, I will discuss this again or I can send this recording do sa link sa group natin na meron tayo. Okay? Message niyo ako kung gusto niyo mag-partake para i-send ko sa inyo yung link ng group na pwede kayong makasama or maka-join sa pagkakaroon ng node. Okay? So at least doon ipopost ko po itong explanation na to doon sa group natin so that they will understand kung ano yung pinag-usapan natin ngayong Zoom. Okay po? So I will stop the recording para hindi na masyadong mahaba. Okay. And then we can have more question and answer.